Welcome to the Caregivers Academy, a space created for you to heal, grow, and feel supported. I know how challenging caregiving can be, how it slowly drains your energy, your hope, and sometimes your identity. There were moments I felt invisible, like my emotions didn't matter. That's why I created a special place designed just for you. This was the first step to feeling whole again. I thought I had to carry everything alone. It's not just a training platform. Confidence, clarity, and peace of mind. Then I realized I didn't have to. It's a community. It's support. You deserve to feel seen. You deserve to be cared for too. If you're a caregiver, see you there. Because healing begins with being heard.